Working as a professional organizer is an incredibly unique and fascinating job. Even though our goal is to help our clients simplify, the path to getting there can be really complex. The reasons our homes become disorganized range from shopping addictions and hoarding behaviors to neurological disorders or simply overextending our time. In today's video, I'm going to share why, despite these challenges, I've loved working as a professional home organizer. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Most of my videos focus on working as an organizer, so if you're considering this as a career path, please hit that subscribe button. In next week's video, I'll dive into the things that drive me crazy and cause me the biggest frustrations working in this business. But today I'm going to start off on a positive note and tell you about all the things I love about working as an organizer. And just as a reminder, if you're on my email list, you'll be receiving a message about a live webinar and Q&A that I'll be hosting in April. I think I'm going to do it April 9th, but that might change. If you are not on my list or not sure you're on my list and want to get an invite to that webinar, just message me at this email. First, I would say that there is a lot of personal fulfillment in decluttering and organizing jobs. I live for a good before and after. Sometimes it's something small, like just clearing the top of a desk that's been cluttered with papers. And sometimes it is massive, like uncovering this 1970s gem of a living room while working on TV's Hoarders. One reason I got into this job was my love for being part of a transformation. It's the same reason I like home renovation or furniture repair. It's visual and creative. Prior to working as a home organizer, I was a data analyst at a Fortune 500 company, and every day felt like Groundhog's Day, which just was not working for me. There's also a lot of creative expression in working as an organizer. I wouldn't consider myself the best designer, and I see a lot of organizers on Instagram who really have a flair for this, but every job does require me to think creatively, like how are all of these items going to fit into the closet, or where will I store bulky items in someone's home when it just seems like there's absolutely no space to put anything. I've never played Tetris, but I enjoy the shifting and sorting of things to fit them into a space. I find it really calming, almost meditative. If you like to organize, you probably know what I'm talking about. It's something that causes a lot of other people frustration, but then there's this group of us who really enjoy that type of problem solving. So if you're like that, you're probably suited to be a professional organizer. Next, and probably one of my top reasons, which I didn't really consider when talking with my, college career counselor, is the variety in this type of work. Working on diverse projects and with different clients means that no 2 days are the same. I've talked to my husband and sister who both work for big companies and love that, routine and predictability in their day. But for me, every day has to have a little adventure in it, even if that means working in extreme clutter. I'm all in. Something I didn't realize when starting my business and putting together my marketing and business plan was the relationships I would build with my clients. When you declutter a home, you're going to go into spaces that no one else sees, and you're talking to your client about things that they might not even share with their therapist. I didn't expect organizing to be like that, but it has allowed me to get to know people in ways that, as an introvert, I just don't think I would have experienced in any other line of work. Lastly, having a professional organizing business gives me so many opportunities for continuous learning. And I love that my business pays for courses, conferences, books, apps, and any resource I need to understand organizing and productivity in a better way. Even here now on YouTube, I've learned to edit videos, even though I'll admit I'm not good with, lighting and editing the audio and all of those things. I would never have so much flexibility working for someone else. So do you think working as an organizer sounds like a good fit for you? Let me know your questions and concerns in the comments of this video, and please like and subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.